Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the easiest sultry brown smoky eye using just two eyeshadows. So if you're ready, let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to do, as always, is shape my brows using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. This is in the shade 4. Using the spoolie in the back, I'm going to first brush my brow hair downwards so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I'm going to use the spoolie in the back again to brush my brow hair upwards so I can clearly see at the bottom and fill it in. I mostly focus on the sparse areas in my brows. I don't like to fill in too much because I have very thick brows. But if you have thinner brows, you can also use a brow pomade or a brow powder. And then using the spoolie again, I'm going to brush my brow hair one more time so the product distributes evenly across my brows. Next, using the Milani concealer in the shade Warm Beige or 145, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows. The brush that I'm using is the Doe Color Flat Concealer brush. I'm not going to be using the Milani concealer on my lid because I'll be using something else. And then using my finger, I'm going to buff it out so there's no harsh edges left. Now here's the trick in creating that beautiful brown sultry smoky eye without putting in any effort. Instead of using the same concealer that I used to clean up under my brows, I'm going to be using a darker shade of concealer as a base on my lid. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. You can use any concealer that's at least 2 shades deeper than your skin. I'm just using a tad bit, dotting a couple drops on my lid, and using a concealer brush, I'm going to spread this out. I'm going to use a little bit more concealer in my lower lash line as well. Buff that out. I'm going to buff this out at the edges just to soften everything. At this point, your smoky eye is 90% complete because you have the base on, it's already looking smoky. All you have to do is set with an eyeshadow. But we're making this sultry, so I'm going to be using a black eyeliner in my waterline and in my lash line. The one that I'm going to be using is my favorite, the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Pencil in black. It doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging this anyway. Just go ahead and line your lash line. And now I'm going to dip into some black eyeshadow. This is the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette. The smudging brush that I'm using is from Folklore. I'm going to simply go over my eyeliner, smudging and smoking it. You don't have to put in too much effort, you just have to smudge it and it's going to look smoky. I like to smudge things because in makeup I feel like that's the least amount of effort that you need to put into something. You're not blending anything. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just smudge it and it'll look smoky. And then I'm using my finger to smudge it out a little bit more so it blends into that deeper shade of concealer. That way it's easier to use a brown eyeshadow over this without the edges looking sharp. I was swatching a green eyeshadow and you can see a little bit of glitter there, so I have to fix that now. And you can see how it's taken form and it looks pretty sultry. Actually, it already looks like a brown smoky eye. You can apply a coat of mascara and call it done. But what I'm going to do now is set my entire lid with a brown eyeshadow. This is the one that I'll be using. Again, this is the Honest Beauty eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette that has neutrals in it. All you need is a black eyeshadow and a brown eyeshadow. So you can use any eyeshadow palette that you have. I'm taking this brown eyeshadow with a flat fluffy brush and I'm going to stamp it all the way from my lash line up to my socket area, basically where I use the brown concealer. So what this is going to do is give me that ombre effect. So it's going to be deepest closer to my lash line, and as it moves upward and outward it fades into my skin tone. And I'm also going to smoke some of that brown eyeshadow in my lower lash line. That's pretty much it. Your sultry brown smoky eye is done. How you want to finish this up is totally up to you. I'm going to first curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler, and then apply a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using the Baddie Lashes. This is by Ofra Cosmetics. And if you want to buy it at a discount, I have a discount code in the description box below, so do check that out. And I'm going to be using false lashes today. This is the Tati Lashes in TL21. I like the way it wings out, so it's not going to cover your lid space as much. It's going to be pretty wispy at the lid, and then as it wings out, it gets more voluminous, so all the volume is concentrated in the outer corner, so that also gives you a lifted, elongated eye effect. And here's the completed sultry brown smoky eye that got done so quick with just 2 eyeshadows. The festivals are coming up, the holidays are coming up, so if you're looking to do something that looks classy, which doesn't need any time or effort, and you just have to use 2 neutral eyeshadows, then why not? It looks absolutely stunning and goes with any outfit. I'm going to finish this look with my favorite nude lip combo, starting with the lip liner in Plum by Ofra Cosmetics. I'm going to be using it in my borders, and I'm going to soften it by smudging it out so it blends in with the lipstick that I'll be using. And then to fill my lips in, I'm using my favorite nude lipstick, Bestie, which I created in collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. I'm going to apply it right in the center and again spread it out with my finger so it blends in with the lip liner. And that leaves you with a beautiful nude ombre lip. And here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I feel like a brown smoky eye with a nude lip looks so classy and well put together. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box, along with all the products that I used. And for Ofra products, I also have a discount code. So check out the description box below, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to watch more videos like these. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys!